This plan that we're about to get into is only available right here in Mustang Lakes in Salina, Texas. And this home is perfect for those that maybe are downsizing, that don't want to give up on that luxury feel, but also don't want this huge giant footprint of a yard to take care of. This is on a 55-foot product. It is got mostly house on it, so it's almost like a patio style home. And this thing is over 3,600 square feet. Has a 1.5 story, so it's a really nice, it opens up tons of opportunities, maybe empty nesters or those young families that are looking to get into a prime location inside one of the best master plan communities in all of Texas. So let's go take a look. All right, guys, here it is. This is the plan 4541 by Traditions. It has that Chip and Joanna farmhouse feel to it, which is really popular. And like I said in the intro, this thing is only available right here in Mustang Lakes. The specs on this are 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It is a 55 by 125 lot, and it's 3634 square feet, offered at $1 million, or 999999999.
Look at this entryway. This is really, really pretty.
Yeah, I love the 2-story, how high it is. And for the most part, this is a single-story home, right? You can think of it. Upstairs, you have like a game or living area, a bedroom, and a bathroom.
But the nice thing is they put the media room downstairs.
Absolutely. Like, this is really a single-story floor plan with an addition. So you've got 2 bedrooms up front here, which I really like. How it's separated from the primary and the rest of the living areas. Come through here, there is your closet.
I'm gonna show that. Nice, okay.
And then this room is a good, probably 12 by 13. 2 nice sized windows, and then you've got an ensuite here with a shower.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, and like I said, this is solid core doors, 8-foot interior doors. This thing does not spare any expense when it comes to quality. It's perfect for those that don't want that huge yard to take care of. This is a great option for that. And from a resale standpoint, Mustang Lakes is one of those communities, along with like Winsong Ranch, that are just no-brainers.
Yeah, this absolutely is one of my favorites.
Yeah. And Tradition Homes, by the way, is one of those builders.
One of our favorites also.
Yeah. Very similar to the other secondary bedroom. Nice size. You've got a closet right here, and you've got a nice ensuite, but this one has a bathtub.
Here's the closet, and then, oh yeah, see, the tile that they've chosen in these is really, really pretty. And I like the niches. They've put the niches in all of them. You know, we love that.
Yeah, I really picture when we walk through these houses, I'm oftentimes thinking of our own clients as well as just who is this ideally for. And this is for those, in my opinion, those that are, like I said, empty nesters or soon to be empty nesters, kind of like in our stage of life, that just want, they still want that wow factor. They still want everything that goes with a Tradition home, but they don't want this 5,000 square foot home anymore. Here's your laundry area, sink, and then if you go in there, Patrice, and look behind that door, you'll see where it extends. That's where.
That's nice. I love this flooring. I think it's so much fun. And then look at all the cabinets and the hardware's on there. And then, oh, what a cute, I like this little half bath.
And I love the floors. Again, we're seeing a lot of this, especially in the homes that we do. We tend to focus on that kind of that move up buyer, that white oak, wide plank floor, wood floor is real popular right now.
This is a beautiful hall. I really like the feel of it.
Over on this side, you have the media room.
Perfect size.
Mm-hmm. Very good size.
A little bit of a tray ceiling just to give it a little bit of detail. I love that.
And with these media rooms, really, and it's sort of leaning that way, is people are going more and more to the TV, just because you get the bang for your buck, right? You can buy 100-inch TVs now for a couple thousand, you know, and then you're not putting $15,000-$20,000 into a whole media room. Here is your office.
And those are the doors you like.
These are the doors I love.
And then cool chandelier in here. Very nice office. Look at how big these windows are.
Yeah, they're picture windows, which I like.
And you know what? I'm going to show, like, this community, you can see there's water features and just the different elevations and the different, I just love the feel of this.
Mustang Lakes is
It doesn't,
truly one of our favorites.
doesn't feel cookie cutter.
No. And it's just the feeling that you get, you know, when you're driving through. Now, look at this, Patrice. You know that we love our beams, but look at this.
Look at that is a signature of tradition.
Yeah.
I just think that's so cool. You're either gonna love it or you're gonna hate it. You know, I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, look at a truss in two different, I mean, it's pretty cool.
It is.
Here's your dining area, right? Big circular round table. I can see, you could put a
I
rectangle
could see the
square.
whole family just sitting there having a nice game night. Yeah.
Yeah. You got all this window, all this light coming through. In fact, there's so much light coming through. The breaker is off on this room, and yet you can't even tell.
No.
Look at this. And Patrice, look at these picture windows.
That's amazing.
I mean, it's just absolutely amazing, right? And what I love about this, Patrice, is what you said when we came in here. You said, oh my God, this is like a cabin feel.
It's a vacation. Yeah, it feels like you're on vacation because it's cozy, but it's big yet still. It's just a cool space.
Real stone fireplace, right? You just don't see this kind of quality anymore, especially at this price point. You've got nice big fireplace with the mantle, and then here is your kitchen.
Love that island. Look at the shape, and I love the color of that. It's so pretty.
Yeah, it's just like kind of that natural feel. Just kind of letting the natural beauty come through. You've got that, and then you've got the white painted cabinets on the bulk of it with quartz countertops. I love the drawers. You've got hardware. You got the KitchenAid appliance package with a 6-burner, double ovens. I mean, this
I could live here.
This checks off a lot of boxes. You could, like I said, kind of hide your coffee maker and all that good stuff, and then you've got a Costco approved snack closet as well.
That's great.
And then just take a look at this. It's just walls of windows.
It really is.
It's walls of glass, just all over the place. In fact, let's go out there and let's just talk about this lot because it's sort of unique. It's big enough to where you have enough space to not be on top of your neighbors a little bit, but
they do call these patio homes.
This is kind of their patio series. You got a big, nice size patio here, and then enough to where you could put in like a little garden. You have room for a hot tub. You can kind of design it. Garden beds, however you really design your life and your lifestyle, this has the option for it.
Yeah, I think this is plenty of space.
So let's go through and check out the primary, and then we'll go upstairs and check out the 1.5 story up there.
Got some great windows there with a nice bench seat.
Yeah, I like that bench seat.
You've got the tray ceiling. It's deceiving because you walk in and it's actually bigger than it looks from the door because it's got that little space right there.
Yeah, your bed would go out here. You've got plenty of space on either side for your nightstands and whatnot. You've got a spot for your TV. You can see overlooking a garden right here, or maybe even like kind of a water feature, something like that. Just be really cool, you know. And then you come on through here, you got the double doors, and then you've got split vanities, and they carry that same, from the island, that same kind of wood tone throughout, kind of matchy, which is nice. You got a double soaking tub, nice size shower.
Good size shower, and then I love the The tile that they use, they've used it there, and then they've used it on the backsplash behind the bathtub. That's really pretty.
And then your ensuite closet is good size.
Yeah,
Goes all the way to the ceiling.
that is really nice.
Yeah. Now let's go upstairs and check out that spot. So up here, depending on how you want to live, if you've got that boomerang kind of kid, this would be a perfect spot for their own living space. They've got a nice game closet over there. They have a bathroom and bedroom right here. This would be cool for that. If not, and you're completely empty nesters, maybe this is kind of your grandkid area. Game room, maybe have some bunks, some built-in bunks and that sort of thing.
Nice.
And then you've got a spot up here for mom and dad.
Yeah,
So-
this is a great house. I love the layout of it. I love the feel of it.
Yeah. It's so flexible. There's so many things that you could do with it.
Well, because everybody has their own situation. And so this is a great option if you, like you said, kids, parents that live with you, any of that stuff.
Yeah. No, I think this checks off a lot of boxes for a lot of our clients. So if you guys have any real estate plans in 2026 in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we would absolutely be honored and love to help you out. And we are here every single day at 5 p.m. showing you what's available right here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And until tomorrow, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to North Texas, click that dream home form below and tell us what you're looking for. We tour these homes every single day, and we'd love to help you get it right.